Well, this is the last step of the build. You will see that our power supply unit manufacturer has added many more cables than we will need. Indeed, we will need only 6 of them for this build, and we are going to take a look at them one by one. Here are our first 4 cables. First, our power SATA for our peripherals, then a 24-pin ATX to power our motherboard, a PCIe Express to power our GPU, and a CPU cable to power our processor. Alright, let's take a look at the 2 last cables. First, a 4-pin Molex cable to connect our front panel fans, and here an optional cable to give a little bit of extra juice to our processor in the case we want to overclock it even further. In this next section, we will be reviewing the plugs of those cables. Just make sure that they're in the right direction, and if you do feel any kind of resistance, just stop and double check everything. You don't want to be shorting your motherboard or your PSU. With the previous installed cable, your computer will work just fine, and you can also overclock it. But in the case you would still want to push it a little bit further and get those extra 200 MHz from your processor, then your CPU most probably will need a little bit more juice. And this is where this cable comes in. Remember, this is optional and you do not need to use it on a classic configuration. Alright, so here I am simply going to show you how to best connect the cables we've been reviewing in the first part of this video. Do keep in mind that I am not yet doing any cable management. I am just plugging them in and putting them into place. At the very end of the build, we will take more time and try to clean the old cable mess that will come with this particular computer.